Drone solutions have transformed visual inspection, mapping and surveying, and thermal imaging. But what if we could do more? What if drones could be our workforce in the sky? We've reinvented the drone to overcome the stability limitations that have prevented drones from doing physical work at height. Introducing the Sky Gauge, our first industrial drone designed for ultrasonic testing to take metal thickness measurements of oil and gas infrastructure, cargo vessels, and civil infrastructure. Compared to traditional inspection methods like rope access, scaffolding, and aerial lifts, the Sky Gauge reduces facility downtime by up to 90%, cuts operational cost of manpower and equipment by 50%, and most importantly, eliminates risk by keeping workers safe on the ground. The Sky Gauge is designed from the ground up to perform physical work. Thanks to our patented thrust vectoring technology, the Sky Gauge airframe remains stable while making physical contact, tilting the rotors rather than the airframe to move the drone. Our technology mimics the precision of the human hand, with no measurable difference when compared to a hand-tested sample. The Sky Gauge dynamically adapts to different inspection surfaces for flush contact. The Sky Gauge sets itself apart by using a force sensor at the end of its probe to conform to surfaces and provide accurate readings. The unique design achieves a high degree of precision to consistently reach 5-centimeter inspection locations. With our industry-leading reporting system, inspectors will see the data live, and our validation assistant helps them capture the best reading throughout the duration of the contact. The Sky Gauge is here to move drones from collecting visual data into performing physical work. We are revolutionizing how inspectors maintain the infrastructure that runs the modern world. Our drones are saving lives, reducing downtime of critical infrastructure while saving money. Discover what the Sky Gauge can do for you and your team.